Hello guys, good morning. My name is Hygiene. I actually want to show you people how I do most of my analysis and what we look at market and what is our aim. In this video, you will literally learning so many things. So many people don't understand how the chart moves. I can say like the market structure, when it's moving to the upside, when it's moving to the downside, which is bullish and bearish moves. Yeah, okay. Usually, let's say one analyze this market. How I'll analyze this market. First of all, I need to check out where the market direction is. The market direction is an uptrend. Market direction is an uptrend, which is perfect. If you don't know, and I am an SMC trader, yes, market direction is an uptrend, and I'm actually looking for an entry in this uptrend. Okay, let me use this zone to analyze. Let's assume I made the market at this point, and I want to analyze, and I need the market to give me an entry so I can enter or look for opportunity. This is how I'll analyze as an SMC trader. First of all, number one rule, I want to see the market take out inducement. I know many of you may not know what inducement is, but hopefully I'll be teaching that. I'll be teaching this whole SMC concept gradually, and I will be posting it to my social media, YouTube, and honestly I'll be teaching it in a way everybody will relate. Yeah. Okay, let's say number one, we want to locate the markets that I want to locate our higher high. Let's say we want to locate our previous higher high. Our previous higher high and previous our current higher low. So these are higher high, in this case I call it break of structure. This is our higher high here. Yeah, this is our higher high here. So I don't know of any other strategy if they call this higher high, but this is a high high, and this is an advanced structure. In case you are confused, this is an advanced structure mapping. So this is an higher high here. Our external major, let me say our major high. This is our major high here, and the market dropped down, do its things, and went up and break our major high, and we have automatically our lower high here. Yes. And this is what we want to spot first. Our previous, let's say our previous high, if it is broken, yes, because it have to be broken before we begin to look for an entry, just in case I made this market here. I have to be looking for an entry from this point. I have to make sure I identify this and identify this. Okay, I'll be using this red line to map exactly where our lower high is, and then what I need to look at is if I have an inducement. Probably this is our inducement. This is our inducement. In case you don't know, this pullback is our inducement. Once market returns and take out this liquidity, I have a valid and a confirmed inducement. This is where I'll begin to look out for a trade to take. Yes, this is where I'll begin to look out for a trade to take. And I have some categories, things I need to see before I could execute a trade, and those are my POI, which is point of interest. Most of you may know that, most of you may not. So which is where you are interested in taking a trade. So I think we still have other names they call it. Now since I've already confirmed my inducement, I want to look at the left side, and I need to look at one and two things. First, I want to look at the last buy move, the last sell move. First thing, the last sell move before the buy takeoff. Now this is it. We have a sell move here before the buy took off. Officially we have a sell move here, which is fine, but this sell move is actually mitigate. Look at it, is wide. It's actually wide. From, just imagine from here, from here, from the top to this side is your first identification of your sell move. But we have to do a refine, because there is a sell move here that happened between this low and this high, so which is this sell move. So I want to see that. First of all, I'll use my rectangle to map it as I am preparing to take a trade. I'll map it. Boom. You see, this is the first thing I need. You know, there is something in this there is something in this last sell move that is here. We have an order block, if most of you understand order block, but the most important thing is the order flow that happened. That's the sell move. That's the most important thing. So I'm just trying to show you people how mostly I do my analysis, and I post some of them and put it up in my community and so on and so forth. Look at, so once I identify this, I just have to wait for confirmation. If you can see, after mapping this, the market reacted and began to give what they call shifts. Look at, we have, as the market tapping here, we have pullback, we have drop down, we have market begin to shift to the upside, drop down, up, drop down, up, drop down. You know, little things, information and context that you need to look at spotted. Like, but this is literally your entry. This is where you begin to look at for entry. You maybe have entered this trade, put your stop loss at the low, 2 pips or 3 pips below. Just put your stop loss below and watch the market do his thing. You can see the market have pullback, and what happened? Shifted, break low, return, you know, do his things, break low, break break high, and whatsoever the market, do its thing and keep moving. If you actually want to take this trade, you took this trade maybe exactly here, or you're looking for confirmation, you could have had all these as a proof of confirmation, then you could have execute and take this trade. And one thing remains, since as an SMC trader, why I like SMC is that it shows you where you put your stop loss and literally where you take your profits. Yes, so immediately you already had your stop loss here, which is one sweet thing about SMC. You see where you put your stop loss. It's obvious, it's there, unless you don't want to put it. So that is it. So you put your stop loss here. Where are we taking profit? This is very fantastic about SMC. We are taking profit at this high, literally at this high. Take profit at this high. Simple, like ABCD. At this high, we take profit and boom, this is it. This is not so much what do they call it, too much noise, like too much grammar, too much trying to confuse you, trying to let you know you need to know this, you need to know that, keep speaking different kind of English and percentage or so and so forth. This is as simple as ABC. I believe if you can understand this and you can repeat it over and over, you always have more winning trades, like for real. Okay, let me as well, as I say, we don't trade without inducement. Let me as well look out for another setup. Yeah, we have a lot of setup, but I don't want to use some there's too much noise to confuse you, because I want you to understand this video very simple. I want you to understand it very simple, right? Yes. Actually, okay, let's use here. Okay, as you can see, the market was actually going higher, keep moving to the upside, keep moving, keep pushing. And what happened, as I said, we don't trade without inducements. And what happened, we wait for the market to give us inducements. Check our inducement. This is our inducement. These are inducement, and we look at unmitigated. Now that, let me show you something here. Oh, I don't know how to. I'm going to. Anyway, one thing I will tell you for sure, for real, no matter the strategy you're using, if you don't understand any setup, it's not must you should trade it. You can let it slide and wait for setup you have good understanding about. So literally, this is the last sell before the buy happened, and if you can see, we have another sell inside between these, like literally like the other one that we did. We also have something like this, but you know why I use this on that other side and I did not use the full one? It was mitigated. Yes, it was mitigated. That is why the whole other flow was mitigated. That's why I could refine it to this one that was inside and use it as my POI. So this is our POI on this setup. Afterwards, if we have our inducement taken out, we look for our order flow and map it out, expect the market to tap into our order flow, give us confirmation, then we jump into the market. as I say, the confirmation can happen here. We have a lot of confirmation that we can use to execute trade when we get to our POI. For me, I will switch to my lower time frame and look at the lower time frame structure and probably execute this trade at this point. And rockets, where is my take profit? SMC traders, this is our stop loss, 2 to 3 pips below. Where is our take profit? The high is our take profit. No stress. Literally could have hit two take profit, two take profit TP, and your two setup could have been better. So if you don't understand any setup that is not clear for you, man, you don't need to trade it. You don't need to waste your time, energy, forcing yourself to take it. The market is not controlled by you or me. So there is nothing we can do. We only just follow. We only just repeat the strategy. You repeat it and we master it. That is what we do. Okay. So this is how we can get this setup. We had our take profit and wait for the next setup. Wait for the market to give us next setup, and that is it. So we keep the same thing. As you can see, I can also repeat this same part again. You will see it's easy, it's not a stressful stuff. Look out for your inducements. I'm just showing you, this is my inducement taken out, and I'll tell you most of my videos, I think I'll start doing videos now, honestly, maybe short videos that explain a little bit insight about what I understand. This is my inducement taken out. This is my inducement. This pullback here is my inducement. Was taken out, and once it's take out, I want to start looking out for sell. What am I going to look out for? The last sell. This is it. The last sell before it take off, and this is simple. I just look at the last sell before it take off. So many criteria, but this last sell is important to me. I'll look at it first. I'll map it out. Wait for the market to tap into this place and give me an entry model style. I already know, or I have a confirmation. I could execute this trade here and put my stop loss maybe below, or maybe 2-3 pips below. And where is my take profit, guys? This is my take profit. It's very simple. That is my take profit. I can tell you for free, this is very simple. You just take your profit here, leave the market, wait for it, wait till you understand this setup, wait till you understand this, wait for the market to play out and give you something you understand. It's not must you trade every day. It's not by force. They do not put gun in your head that you should trade every day. They are not forcing you that you must trade any setup you see. Once you see something you don't understand, apia, leave it. Kabashi. That is as simple as it is. Kabashi. Once you see something you don't understand, kabashi, leave it. Leave it. It's not must. I can tell you for free, it's not must. Wait for what you understand. You cannot trade everything you see, every move you see in the market. It's very annoying, you know. So this is how I trade. This is what I do daily basis, and simple as ABCD. Some of the time, even if I force myself to trade what I don't understand, the complication, at the end of the day I get short because I don't understand it. I'm forcing myself to do it. But as simple as ABC, just look at this setup. Look at the previous one. You see that we have about 4 setup. Look at first one, could I make profit? Once you see that there is a setup here, there is a setup here, but probably I may not take this trade because I don't understand it, even when it looked clean, but did not have pure understand. I don't have any pure understanding or pure understood. What English did I use? I don't have pure understanding about it, so I don't. Pardon me. It's not my father language, please. I just learn it, and I'm just trying to use it to communicate with all of us, So I don't have understanding about this, so I can actually leave this setup, this whole drama that happened here, and leave it and wait for a clean and understanding setup. Bam, it happened. And look at this. We could have had our first setup. You take that, maybe took you like few hours to achieve this. Your take profit, you wait again. What happened? Have you set up, boom, execute, and you have your, even if, okay, let's say what happened here and the market reverse and start coming to the downside, you just have it, like, you just know. And let me tell you something for real, if you do a setup and you do not have confirmation, there is no need of you to enter the trade. You could wait for confirmation, because now let's see the market reversed and start going to the downside. So people like we SMC trader would trade with confirmation and so many other things that we need to see before we could execute a trade. We will not trade this trade. We will do the setup and wait, and if it did not happen, what happens? We let it go, and once the market change character, we also change our way. The same, also change our way. Okay, also change our way. And this strategy work in any time frame, any market, BTC, sorry, gold, any currency pair you want to trade, cryptos and so on. This same strategy, you can use it and trade it. Just know exactly what you're doing and master your strategy, modify your strategy, and be the best you can be. Trading is a journey, is a personal journey. It's not for public. Focus on what you know how to do, what you understand, and become guru for it. Use it to print money for yourself and for your generation. So literally trading, I love trading. I like that God bring me to this world and I came encounter with trading. And also I'm happy that I can relate to SMC trading strategy. There is a lot I've learned over the years using SMC strategy, and I begin to understand the charts, the market probably perfectly well. This is another strategy. This is another setup we're looking at, and actually will be hopefully that the market will begin to reverse downward. So a lot of wisdom and a lot of knowledge about the market. You keep learning, just keep learning, focus on that strategy you're using and keep learning that strategy, focus on it. So if you disobey your own rules, you're gonna learn the hard way. That's the truth. If you disobey your own rules, you're going to learn in a hard way. Okay, just in case, this is 2026, and this is my first video I'm doing in 2026 for a very long, guys. Follow me on YouTube, subscribe, like, comment, share, and tell me if there's any topic you want me to treat or explain about the market on trading entirely. If I have the knowledge, I'm going to bring it out for you guys. So thank you so much, and also please subscribe to this channel so that Whenever I dropped any video, you'll be the first to get the notification. Thank you so much. Don't forget to turn up the notification bell, and that is very important. I'll be bringing more out videos and topics and things that you need to understand about the chart. And if there's any market you want me to do analysis on, send it to me. I'll do the analysis on it, repeating the same strategy, same package,